Hi friends, welcome to Kaliyona. Thank you for your interest to learn Kannada. In this video, we will learn about days of the week in Kannada.
This is the detailed course structure, and today we will focus on the calendar module. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please visit our website kalyona.com. To support the learning, we do have interactive quizzes and discussions. Upon successful completion, you would also be receiving course completion certificate. Day,
Dina, Dina,
week,
Vara, Vara,
month,
Tingalu, Tingalu,
year,
Varusha, Varusha,
Sunday,
ಭಾನುವಾರ ಭಾನುವಾರ
Monday,
ಸೋಮವಾರ ಸೋಮವಾರ
Tuesday,
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ
Wednesday,
ಬುಧವಾರ ಬುಧವಾರ
Thursday,
ಗುರುವಾರ ಗುರುವಾರ
Friday,
ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ
Saturday,
ಶನಿವಾರ ಶನಿವಾರ
holiday.
ರಜೆ ದಿನ ರಜೆ ದಿನ
Now let us see how to use these in sentences. Sunday is holiday for us.
ಭಾನುವಾರ ನಮಗೆ ರಜೆ ಭಾನುವಾರ ನಮಗೆ ರಜೆ
Office starts from Monday.
ಸೋಮವಾರದಿಂದ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಶುರು ಸೋಮವಾರದಿಂದ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಶುರು
Let's play on Saturday.
ಶನಿವಾರ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಣ ಶನಿವಾರ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಣ
I will come next Wednesday.
ನಾನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಬುಧವಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಬುಧವಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೀನಿ
In our next video, let's get familiarized with words related to time in Kannada. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and do leave your comments below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.